Let's start. Watch, listen, and speak. Fruit's name. Apple. This is an apple. Banana. This is a banana. Custard apple. This is a custard apple. Grapes. This is a bunch of grapes. Guava. This is a guava. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Mango. This is a mango. Melon. This is a melon. Orange. This is an orange. Plum. This is a plum. Peach. This is a peach. Lychee. This is a lychee. Pear. This is a pear. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Raspberry. This is a raspberry. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Sapodilla. This is a sapodilla. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Lesson review. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, mango, raspberry, pineapple, melon, strawberry, lychee, peach, plum, sapodilla, watermelon, guava, pear, custard apple, and kiwi.